Hi everyone! Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a website using the MultiSites platform for your security service. If you're not familiar with the MultiSites platform, it's an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs. It's super affordable. It's only $9 a month, really cheap. And there is a free trial available for 7 days, and you don't even need to put your credit card details in to give the trial a go. So go ahead and click on the link below this video and give it a bash, see how it works for your business. So once you've signed up on the MultiSites website, put in your password, your email address, we're going to go ahead and search for our market. You will come to a page that looks exactly like this, and it will ask you to search for your market. We are constantly adding new markets every single day, but if you're not quite seeing your market for your business on this website, drop us a comment below. We'll definitely add it. So let's get cracking. We're going to go ahead and select the security service template. The beauty of MultiSites is we have literally pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected images, and it's just super easy for you to launch your one-page website. So let's go ahead and select the security service option. Okay, now MultiSites is going to ask you a few basic information for your website. So I can generate your one-page website. Let's go ahead and put our company name in. So let's put in Rochelle Security Service. I like the ring to that. And then we're going to go ahead and select our city and our region or state. Let's put Colorado. It doesn't matter where you are located in the world, you can have a MultiSites. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and select our type of business. There are different templates for restaurant, retail, service, or other. So this is a service, your security service. Let's go ahead and select that one. Okay, let's push continue. Okay, look at that. Literally, it must have taken less than a minute. It's literally generated a whole one-page website for me just by me inputting my basic information. It's actually really crazy. Now, with your one-page website, you can make amendments. You can change images. You can change your logo. You can change the colors. Whatever suits your business. Perhaps you don't like what we've pre-done here. It is amendable, and I'm going to be walking you through the process. So we're going to go ahead and select the first section and click on update section. This is our location. So let's go ahead and put our phone number in. Okay, so now you can see your phone number is displayed in the top right-hand corner of your one-page website. Your customers or potential customers can literally click on this and it will call the number. Really, really handy to have. Okay, let's put our address in and our postal code. And there you can see your address now displayed in the top left corner of your MultiSites website. The great thing about it is your customers can click on it and it will go directly to a Google map and they can get directions directly to your business so they can easily find you. Now we're going to go ahead and click on save location. Make sure you're always clicking save, and we're going to go ahead and put our email address in as well. So let's say Rochelle at Security Service. That doesn't even exist. I've literally just made that up. And we're going to go ahead and say show email on site. And there we go. My email address is now displayed in the top right corner of my MultiSites. Your customers can literally click on that and it will go directly to your email app or Outlook and literally be able to send you an email to request information from you. So let's make sure that's all saved. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and update our social links. In this day and age, obviously everyone's in social media, but I do want to touch base on the fact that small businesses in general, some of them think that just a Facebook or Instagram account is more than enough for their business. That is definitely not the case. You definitely do need a website. One thing to take into consideration is your social media accounts, your Instagram page, your TikTok, your Facebook. You literally do not own that page. So at any given time, that page can get deleted or get hacked. It does happen, unfortunately. And then you have to start from scratch. So the important thing is to have a website so your customers can find you 365 days a year, 7 days a week. So let's go ahead and put our social media accounts in here. Feel free to go give us a follow, check out our content, leave us a message, and let's put our Twitter in. Okay, now you can see your social media accounts are now available here at the top of your website, and your customers can click on it and head directly to your social media pages to give you a follow, engage with you, and this in turn is increasing your engagement as well. So let's go ahead and save those. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and close that section and update the next section. I just want you to get a look and feel of how the service works. Again, feel free to sign up for the free trial and see for yourself, but I just want to talk you through and just see how quick and fast the service is. So we've got our location in here. Let's click on update logo. Okay, so if your business does not have a logo, and you're still in the startup process, perhaps you don't have one, your name will be displayed in the top left-hand corner here. However, you can replace it with a logo if you have one. If you by browsing your computer and selecting your logo. If you don't have a logo and you're really interested in having one and you don't want to pay huge design fees, I do suggest you check out Canva. They do have some free ones available. Just type it in, search the templates, and you can amend the colors, change the wording, the picture perhaps. Give it a go and see if it works for you. Obviously, we want to make this for startups as cheap as possible. So we're going to go ahead and save our logo once we've uploaded it, and then we're going to go update location, update menu. Sorry about that. Okay, so the menu options are these at the top: your about, your services, your contact. Perhaps those don't work for you. You don't want them. You want to change the name. Obviously, everything is pre-written for you here, but you can amend it to suit your business. So and go ahead by clicking on the pencil and just select whatever you want it to say. And you can choose the link of where you want it to link to. So perhaps you want to actually, let's do it together, call my business. Okay, and then we can actually click on an action and say click to call. So again, if you want people to give you a call to make it super easy for them. Another great option with Mighty Sites is for all the buttons, you can upload a PDF file. So perhaps you want someone to have a look at your rates for your security service, what you offer, how much it costs. You can upload a PDF file here so people can easily find your rates or whatever other PDF you would want to upload. And we're going to go ahead and update it and close. Now, again, with this section, we have pre-selected images for you. I want you to know that the images on here, they're completely royalty free. They're free to use. You're not going to get in trouble for using them. So we're going to go ahead and update that section. But if that image just does not look like your security service, which could be the case, we can go here and update the image. You can browse your computer and upload one to suit that perhaps you've got of your security service staff or something along those lines. But if you don't have any of those, you can change it and search the photo library. Again, these images are all completely free to use. There are some there, but I do suggest you just change the terms a little bit. Perhaps these work for you. Otherwise, you can just try security. Let's try that. Okay, so whatever works for you, I want to change it to that image. Go ahead and select it, save your image selection, and your image will now appear there. Another thing is perhaps these colors just don't work for you. You're not really a fan of this dark blue. Personally, it's one of my favorites. But if you want to change the color, you can go ahead and select this paint bucket over here. The amazing thing about Mighty Sites is you don't need to know any coding. There's no coding required. You don't need to be a website developer. You don't need to be a website expert. Everything is easily available here for you to create a professional looking website without the complications. So for our colors, we can change them. Let's try that one. That one. There's so many to choose from, and we literally are adding more every single day as well. If you see a color palette or you want certain colors in mind that we don't have, again, feel free to leave a comment below, drop us a message on social media, and we will try add those specific colors for you. Let's see how that works. Okay, that looks great. Gray, very neutral. The button over here again can be linked to wherever you want it to go. Let's make sure that's all closed. And again, this section as well, we can change, amend the writing, the button where it links to. Always remember it's below when you say update. There we go. Perhaps this quite doesn't work for you and you want to link to something else. Go ahead and do this. The next section we're moving on to is the About Us section. Again, perhaps this image just doesn't work for you. You can choose one of the other pre-selected ones or upload your own one and change the text. Okay, another section with a great image, but it can be amended, of course. Okay, so here we've got our services section. Perhaps your service doesn't offer event security, it's only personal or household security. So you can go ahead and change that. Perhaps you offer CCTV installation. Go ahead and amend that by clicking the update section and changing it, the services that you offer and the image if it doesn't quite work for you. Okay, on to the final section, and this is what we get the most queries on. This is the form on your website, and we're getting numerous messages. Where does my form, if one of my potential customers fills in this form and sends it, where is it going to? I don't know where it goes to, and I'm here to answer that question for you today. You literally will get an email when you get a lead from this form. Go ahead and show you exactly where that is. So we're going to go ahead and say stop editing and go to the site dashboard. And this is exactly on your dashboard where you will find your leads. So if someone goes to your website, fills in the form, submits it, you will get that via here as well. You can easily find it on your Mighty Sites dashboard. The last question and the last topic I want to cover is your domain. Again, we're getting numerous messages about this. Can I link my custom domain to Mighty Sites? Of course you can. We want you to have a professional looking website, and obviously a custom domain is really necessary to have a professional website. If you're starting out and you don't have a domain, leave us a comment below and we can suggest some places where you can get a domain, a custom one for your business. We do have some YouTube videos on how to connect your domain. You can head over to the mightysites.com website and look at the blog posts as well on how to link your custom domain. If you are struggling with this, feel free to leave us a message or send us a private message on Facebook or an email, and we actually can assist you with linking your custom domain. All you need to do is add Mighty Sites as a user, and we will literally set it up for you stress-free. I hope that was a great tutorial on how to set up a website for your Mighty Sites, for your security service. I really wish your small business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any queries or concerns, feel free to let us know. Perhaps there's something on our website that you would want, maybe a new feature. Please do let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.